In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sales rep field in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a clean, reusable field you can add to your sales forms, so you can track who handled each sale without reinventing the wheel every time. Start at the very top of your QuickBooks screen and go to the search bar. Type Custom Fields. In the search results, open the Custom Fields area. This is where QuickBooks lets you create and manage the extra fields you want to see on your forms and records. Once you're on that page, click Add Custom Field. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen with options for setting up the new field. In that panel, look for the section labeled Suggestions for You. Click Sales Rep. Choosing this option tells QuickBooks you want a pre-built template specifically designed for tracking sales representatives. It saves time because it sets the field to a drop-down automatically, which is perfect for selecting a rep from a defined list rather than typing free-form text every time. Now set up the choices your team will use. Under the drop-down list area, click into the field to add items. Enter each sales rep one at a time, pressing Enter after each name to add it to the list. Keep the name short and consistent, using either full names or initials, but not a mix, to make reporting cleaner later. If your team structure changes, you can always come back here to add, edit, or remove items from the list. Before you save, double-check two important settings: Category and the Select Form section. The category helps you keep fields organized and grouped logically. Pick the category that best matches how you'll use this field. Then, in Select Forms, choose where you want the sales rep field to appear, such as on invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. Think about whether you need it visible to customers on the forms you send, or primarily for internal tracking as your team creates transactions. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your sales rep field is now ready and will be available the next time you work on the forms you selected. As you start using it, encourage your team to choose from the drop-down every time to keep your data consistent and make your sales reports more meaningful. If you ever need to adjust the list of reps or change where the field appears, return to the Custom Fields area and edit the field from there. Keeping it tidy over time will make your sales tracking faster, clearer, and far more reliable.